Okay, what does that mean in Russian?
Yes.
Yes, what?
Can you
That what?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Shut up! Stupid dog. Wait, what?
Duh.
That what?
Yes.
Wait,
I
what?
nuke you.
You're looking fucking Russian, Steve. What does divide mean?
Duh.
No,
I
divide.
killed you. It's the bag.
Speak up, comrade.
The bag.
What the burger? What burger?
Okay, no more camera. We are done. We are
Hello,
done.
this is Russian Steve brother.
Pittsburgh.
This guy nuke people a lot.
We nuke
He dropped two
Korea.
nuke. I dropped one.
I dropped them on Hiroshima.
He do it on Japan.
It was an accident.
We actually killed the family of two for the nuke. Accident. We didn't mean to.
You know our brother in Iraq,
He died.
because I nuke him on an accident. I'm sorry.
I'm very sorry. We are done with this.
This one
recording.
goes
We have
out
to
to my
stop. We're
family.
done.
Please get